Simplifying each expression. Now, I just showed you on the calculator how handy dandy trusty dusty that can be, but you don't really need the calculator for something like this. Yeah, it's 6 times 5 times 4 factorial, and the only reason we write the factorial is because we have one of those on the bottom. You can cancel those out, and it basically boils down to 6 times 5, which is 30. Now, to say, come up with that number and that number, which is 720, and that number there, which is 24, and to say 720 divided by 24, that's may or may not be something you can do with ease, but it's not something you have to do. Don't multiply them out, especially, you know, something like this. You got 12 times 11 times 10 times 9 factorial. That's 9 all the way down. We just saw 10 all the way down gives you 3 million, not 36. But 9 factorial is close to that. It's a big number. So if you can, instead of extending it all the way down, just simply stop there because you have that on the bottom. You can cancel those out. 12 times 11 is 132. Add a 0 to it. 1320. Now this one here, the 14 and the 4 and the 11. You got a 14, 13, 12, 11 factorial. Now, you don't want to say that's 44 factorial. That would be a much different number. But the 11 factorial is something that you can deal with. Just keep in mind, 4 is not just a 4. It's a 4 factorial. So we need to consider that that's a 4 and a 3 and a 2. Okay? So the 11s and down are gone. We can also now take a look at some stuff like this. The 4 and the 3 will cancel with the 12, and the 2 can cancel with the 14, leaving us with 7. So it boils down to this, 7 times 13, which I believe is 91. All right. Thanks for playing.